Okay, in this video, I want to just show you how we're going to install this wallpaper against the force of gravity, okay? So I have to wrap this around this underpass, soffit, so to speak. That's what I'm going to call it, a soffit. And I just want you to watch how I do it, because this is yet another challenge in the wallpaper business, and that is to hang something upside down, pretty much, okay? So it's gonna look awkward because I'm gonna be using my head and everything, my shoulders and stuff to keep the wallpaper up. Everybody who puts in wallpaper gets glue all over themselves. Unless you have a helper, and you only need a helper once in a while, it doesn't pay to hire a helper. And most of them just stand around doing nothing anyway. So anyway, I want to tell you that I glued both the paper and the soffit itself. So you'll find glue on these corners. I need that paper to stick, okay? And then I'll heat it up and everything else. So you can just watch me here. And I'm not gonna have to say much because you know what I'm doing already. I trimmed as much of the paper as I could to take some of the weight off. You could use extra tacky glue as well. Anything you can think of, including thumbtacks. Not a bad idea, okay? Not a bad idea when you're dealing with this. Okay, let me start heating this up. So I realize I got the ladder right in your way, but maybe right there would be best, right? How's that? Ow! Woo! That burned. That burned. I got myself good. Just did it again. It's a difficult task. Now, let me show you up close what I did. Okay, look at that. Look at the perfection we're talking about here, right? Okay? Heat. Take the weight off of it. Work quickly. Look at how snug it is. By the way, if you run your fingers over a corner, listen to it. Just listen. You hear this? That means there's a space there. That means I gotta keep working it. Did you hear it where there was, you have the regular noise. That's regular. Hear that? So I know I gotta work over here a little more. Okay? So now what am I gonna do over here? I'll probably let you go. You don't need to see this again, right? See, I got a good amount of glue in there. You see the fat corners? That's all my glue, ready to be smoothed out. The vinyl's ready to get heated up. I got a lot of glue in there. And by the way, if I want to move the glue over, I just run my smoother over it, bring it over. I'm transferring the glue, I'm moving it. You know what I mean, there's glue under there. I'm moving it along. Because you want to keep the paper from drying out too. All right, so that's what you do. That's what you do. And as you can see, it's coming out perfectly. So if you like the video, please click on like and subscribe to my channel, and I will continue this installation and let you guys take a break. Okay? Thank you.